This conference will now be recorded.
See, how do you re-queue? So whenever the item is being processed from the queue table PRSysQs by standard agent, the item status will get changed to broken process. What is the status gets changed to? Broken process. See, what would you be doing with the broken process items? If a broken process item is there, how are we going to handle the broken process items? So for that to show you, the item status gets changed to broken process. Intentionally, I am going to make a mistake. That is, some property, I am going to set it to automatic exception here. So that items will go ahead and enter into broken process. I mean, the status gets updated to broken process. So what is the table for which PRSysQ gets connected is system queue default entry. What is the class name? The class for which the table PRSysQ gets connected is system queue default entry. This is the class for which it is going to get connected. Okay, anyhow, let me show you now. Suppose if I am going to create one work object with some status and queue it to agent, then that work object has to be picked and processed by the agent. Let's go to database table. This is the queue table which I have. Let me requery this. Before we proceed forward, view data, first 100 rows. Okay. Connection to the server has got lost. Let me go ahead and start up it again. I mean, like database I wanted to open again, and let it get open, and then we open the table and see the records. Then we will proceed forward to push one item into queue, and thereafter we'll see what is the current status and what will be the status when processing is going to get failed. That is what we are going to see now. This is the table which we were discussing about. View data, first 100 rows, and here you go now. So this table has some records which are not related to our agent. Okay, let's push one item by our agent. For that, I will be creating one. Okay, here you go. Now the agent activity got changed after that I had checked in. And for better understanding, let's make sure to restart the agent also once. How do you restart the agent? You go to resources, agents, you select the agent which you wanted to restart so that the latest changes may get picked. So this is the standard agent which I will be selecting, and here is the button to restart. Restart means it will be stopped and started. Suppose you wanted to experience both stop and start, you just click on stop first and then scroll down. You see Tata agent 0, 1 stopped. Okay, so again you select it. Stopped means 1, running is 0. Now you click on start. Okay, already I said I clicked on twice actually. So here you see 1 running now. So it is been stopped and started again. Now let's go ahead and push one item into agent queue for this agent. So you know the already design has been done by us. Where did we place this one? Someone please respond. Where did we do it? Where is that queuing? At what stage? Okay, transaction details itself has got queued, right? In that stage only. So it has got queued now. 21009 is the object which I have closed. Okay, done. It should be processed. When this item is going to get processed, it should fail and the status should get changed. Now you see this item should have been tried for processing. Here you can see, not this. Tata related. See, as of now it is in scheduled status. If it is being picked and processed, intentionally I have made mistake in the activity to get the activity failed. Let's see what could be the status now. Okay, let me start it again, and here you go. You see now Tata vehicle insurance, this one has got failed. Everyone clear with this point? Online resources, it has failed. As it has failed, the status got updated to broken process. Now you need to find out what are the broken items. Without going into database, you can go to admin studio, and here you can go to resources, agent queues, and here you can see scheduled items and broken items. How many broken items are there? Multiple are there. Out of which one is related to what we are discussing now? This one. You will be clicking on the broken item. When you click on the broken item and scroll down, you can see error description here. What is error description? Arithmetic exception divided by 0. It's not only same exception, it can be any exception related to processing. Based on the exception, you need to understand the issue. You fix the issue. After you fix the issue, you need to requeue. How would you be requeuing? You select the option broken item, and here you have the option requeue. The moment you click on it and go back to table and requery here, now what is the status of the item? You can see scheduled. So what has been done when you requeue it for that particular record in the database? What has happened when we requeue it?
Status changed from broken process to scheduled.
Status got changed from broken process to scheduled. So when the status is broken process, agent will not pick those items. But when the status is scheduled, agent is going to pick those items. So after you find the issue by going to the broken items and then correcting the issue, then you need to go to broken items and then requeue the items. Everyone clear with this? This is for your information. This has got recorded. I will be sharing that video in my YouTube channel. You can go through it.